In this video, we'll teach you how to use a vending machine with a card.
Hi, my name is Lauren Bennett. I'm here at Coastal Pines Technical College, and a lot of people don't know how to use the vending machines. It's kind of tricky, but anyway, I'm going to go step by step on how to use the vending machine because I need some caffeine. So, I have my card. And a lot of people don't know this, but the little handy-dandy chip that's on your debit card, you just lightly place it over this signal sign. So it says card approved. Once it says card approved, it's going to say select an item. So I want a Diet Coke because I'm a Diet Coke girly. Oh, there's a water here. Alright, somebody left water here. And this is very important. So, with this vending machine, after you select your item and it disperses it or whatever, you press complete. Because if you don't press complete, then people can get drinks and really you're buying it. And you don't want that. So you always press complete after you make your selection. Now, we're gonna do the food, the snack section. Same thing. The chip on your car, place it over the little signal thing. Now it says card approved. Now it says please select an item. Now, I want a bag of Cheetos, so I am going to do C8. Press your selection. It dispersed my selection. And now that I have my selection, I'm going to press complete. And then that way nobody can purchase anything off your card. And that's how you do it. Ta-da!